For option seller, market moving up very fast or market moving down very fast, both the instances are almost similar because in both the cases, one can lose money. Generally, the trend is whenever market goes up, VIX generally reduces. But other way around also, we have seen market moving up and VIX also rising. So when market moves up as an option seller, there can be times when you have sold calls. And you might have sold puts also, but sold puts will not protect you much. But sold calls will take away a lot of money. So what to do in such a scenario when these calls are bleeding, and obviously there is a lot of pressure when we see red M2M. In today's exclusive video, I will try to give you an example where how a position which was there in a market when market was moving up very fast, how it was tackled and ultimately we got out of the trade without much damage. Why this video? Because in current markets also, since war fears are getting away, there can be a big up move also in the market. So we need to be very, very careful and we need to learn this trick how to safeguard your sold calls which are bleeding. It can be really dangerous. To understand the adjustment, I am going to Obstra and I am doing it in March because March was the month when market initially was very stable but then sharply went up. So first day of the March is 3rd, 27th March is the expiry. So just to understand the adjustment, let us take one trade. Let's say we have sold 3 calls of 22,900 thinking that okay, it is pretty far away and 21 is delta and we will get this money. So let us move next day. Let's see. It is okay. It's okay. Initially it was pretty much okay, but then market started moving up. Okay, now I'm losing 13,000 rupees in 3 calls. Now it is 11,000. So my call is 22,900. Market is already 22,365 only. I'm still far away. I want to get stuck up so that we can clearly see what is the possible adjustment. Okay, till now it's all okay. Now you see, now the market has gone up to 22,848. My call is 22,900. Now I'm already losing 20,000 rupees. This is 19th March, 9:30. Let me show you if I do not do anything, what will happen. Okay, till end, it will give me a loss of 1,30,000 rupees. Okay, 19th March morning, there should be a warning coming to me that okay, it is already 22,848. My call is 22,900. It is almost at the money. This is the time when we should start doing some adjustments. A quick update. Our next calendar spread workshop is happening on May 24th. I'll share full details at the end of this video, or you can check the description below. Let's continue. One thing is you can roll over the calls. Now in this case, something which I've sold at 83 rupees is now 174 rupees. One choice is I just roll over this call to 174 in next month. Let us first do this, and what I'll do, I'll book this here at 174.7 and I will roll it up roughly around 23,500. This is 173. I said okay, I am going far away from the market. The advantage is now I am not at the money. I have sold something which is 28 delta. This is one way. Obviously I know there will be a delay, but at least there should not be a loss. Please click on the like button. Each and every like is very precious to us. Thanks in advance. So I'm just comparing things. So in this case, let us see now what will happen. I'll again come back to 19th March. Let us see what happens. Now in this case, I am not losing 1,30,000 rupees. I am losing only 82,000 rupees. So this simple adjustment has brought a difference of around 50,000 rupees in my trade, and the trade is not over. I am into 24th April, right? And market is 23,544. Almost I am touching the market. My 173 thing has become 447, but see this would have become 662. Suppose I just hold on to the trade because I am just sitting at the money. What will happen if we move little bit forward? 4th April, only 8,900. I have almost saved all my damages just by a simple adjustment. What I have done, I have rolled it up. And let us see next day. Next day market has crashed, 7th April, and I have recovered all my money and I am in some profit also. Yes, there was a delay. It didn't happen in the same month. It happened just 7 days after the month. So you can always think that, okay, in this case, market went down. What if market kept on rising? Obviously, that is a very valid question. On 19th, it is 20. So what I see that, okay, this trade has entered almost into my strike price 22,900. One of the best things what we can do is we can go to April end and buy a same strike price call at 22,900 only. Okay, this is 453 rupees. It may not require huge money because already naked calls have taken a lot of money, right? So when you're converting your naked call into sort of a calendar, then not too much money is required, right? This is the trade now, right? This is the trade. I've just added something and I've added some protection to it. Let us see now what happens. Okay, now also market has gone up, but now it is not giving me that much of loss. My loss is slightly less, but the problem is the market has gone up like anything. Suppose I don't do anything. I keep this trade as it is with this one adjustment. Let us see. Till expiry. Without adjustment, I was losing 1,30,000 rupees. I am not doing anything. 26th March, 27th March. With this adjustment, now I am losing only 29,000 rupees. I have not sold any put during the process when market was going up. I have not done anything else, right? If I go here, so this one thing has given me 1 lakh rupees. Had market gone down, obviously it would have taken some damage, but it has given me 1 lakh rupees. What I will do, I will book this. Obviously, I need to book this, right? Because now the month has ended. I will book this, and I have a loss of 29,000 rupees, which I know. So this also, let us say I book, which is 662. Right. Now on 27th March, even at 9:30, what I can do, I can take some April trades just to take care of my 29,000 loss. Okay, market is 23,600 and maybe I can sell 3 lots of 24,000 because I need to cover the 28,000 rupees also. Right? Right. And then I run the trade again in continuity. Now 5,000 rupees profit. So the point is, here I have done two things. First is I have converted my naked call into call calendar. Once the month has ended, even if I do not know how to tackle that calendar spread, although there are ways and means to tackle that also, even if I have not done, I know my loss is not very big. Next month I can roll over. At the month end, I can roll over to next month, and if things go smooth, I will recover that money. In this case, I have shown you. So two things you can do. One is roll over the trade. If you do not want to roll over the trade, maybe you can protect the trade, and if required, then roll over the trade. Only problem is when you are protecting the trade by buying next month calls, if market falls from there, the next month purchase calls can give you loss. So you must know how to handle that. So simplest is roll over the trade, or maybe second best option is protect the trade by buying next month options. The theta decay will start playing in your favor. And third, if required, after protecting, if required, then roll over the trade. So roll over and protect, roll over and protect. That's the best technique to take care of your bleeding calls. There are 4-5 other methods also. In upcoming videos, we will be talking about that also. Calendar spread is a strategy which can be used independently for decent profits. Plus, it is a great adjustment tool to be used in combination to other strategies also. Even strangles and straddles when they get stuck up. Even it can be used in combination with iron condor and iron fly also. So this is one of the most important tool in our kit. We are conducting a calendar spread workshop on 24th of May from 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. online. We will be sharing the strategy, its logic, break-even points, and most importantly, the adjustments framework. To make the usage of the strategy very clear, we will also discuss 12 months of backtesting. If you wish to join, you can contact the numbers given on the screen. There are definitely discounts for participants who have joined our iron fly workshop or iron bonder workshop. If you have joined both the workshops, you will get 50% discount. Details are given in the description also. I'm leaving you with another interesting video on option trading strategies and adjustments. Hope you will like it. Do not forget to click on the subscribe button. All our subscribers are very precious to us. Thank you. See you in the next video.